Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the tranquil zen kind of quest on Grow a Garden. Not really necessarily a quest, but like the event, I guess. So as you can see in the middle it says next Zen event, Zen required, etc, etc. So here if you want, I don't know, like the Zen, this is if you want to trade, I don't know how to pronounce that, chi, I think it's chi. Here you're going to farm your, you're going to get your tranquil plants, and then you're going to select take all my tranquil plants. It says you have gained 7 zen from 3 fruits. So you're just going to want to keep doing that until it's full. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. This is what tranquil plants look like, by the way. That is it. I need to sell for this video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.